Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita the Latest. Today in this video is all about Smytten haul, which I brought from Smytten for 6 trial points. So guys, if you are interested in this video, please do watch till end, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit on that bell button such that if I upload any new video, I'll get notified first. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So if you don't know about Smytten, Smytten is an app similar to Purple or Nykaa, with which in Smytten you will get 6 trial points. With 6 trial points you can purchase 6 products, and with 6 products you will get 1 pouch as free, and one time if the discounts are available with pouch you will get a shampoo also free. So for 6 trial points you are paying only 199 rupees, and that's the best part, where you'll not get in Nykaa or Purple. If you still have doubts regarding Smytten app, then I made so many videos regarding that, so that you can check it out on the cards or it will be on my description. If you are interested, you can go and check it out once. Here is my Smytten box. So I purchased this product on August month, where there was not only a pouch as a free, but you were also getting a shampoo with that, a face mask with that, or this pouch with Plum toner or something like that. Not only a pouch, you were getting another product was also free. So that's the best part. And August month and even September month also one time this discounts will be available, so you need to check it out every single time. So first I got this Mitten Pouch and here it's worth of 499 rupees, but I don't think it is of 499, but it is wide enough. You can see, I think it will be around only 50 to 60 bucks, but they have labeled it as 499, and it is long enough also, where you can keep your products here, since all the products are trial size, such that you can keep all the trial size products here, and you can easily carry this out wherever you travel. So this is the first thing I got, and the pouch quality is also good. This is travel friendly pouch. With this, not only pouch, as I said you before, since I ordered this product in August month, I got another product also free. So I got Plum green tea alcohol free toner, 100% vegan, and combination of oily acne pore skin, and this is worth of 150 rupees. All the Smytten products are 100% genuine, and the expiry dates and all, it will be correct, so you no need to worry as no, it's not genuine like that, but 100% genuine products. And I got this also. This is worth of 150 rupees. So with this pouch I got these 2 are free products for 199 rupees. Guys, next all are of nail polish itself, because 6 trial points I have taken 6 nail paint. So let me show you the shade one by one. So it's from Miss Nails Paint Me Pretty, and it says that it's toxic free nail color, and it's in the shade of 33, and it is worth of 60 rupees, and manufacturer and date and all, it's correct, so not expired. So here is my nail polish. Look at the shade, guys. You can see the glittery over here. This is in the shade and this is of 6 ml, a small one. Next product which I got is from Miss Nails Paint Me Pretty. This is of also 60 rupees, and this is in the shade of 31, and this is, I got this for 1 trial point, and this is for 1 trial point. This is act as a binder. This is a binder nail paint. You can see it is fully transparent with the shimmery or glitter inside. You can apply this coat once you're done with your nail paint. Once you apply with the nail paint, you can add this as a binder. Guys, if you're logging for the very first time, you can use my Smytten referral code, which is displayed right on the screen, such that you will get instant discount. The next thing which I got from Smytten is this is also from Miss Nails Paint Me Pretty, and this is in the shade of 07, and this is worth of 60 rupees. And you can see the shimmery look. silverish in color with shimmer inside. Guys, just think it of like this kind of nail paint which is of shimmery look and which is glittery one. Once you purchase outside like in markets and all, in beauty parlors or salon, this might costly about 60 rupees or 100 rupees, but here you are getting for only one trial point. For 199 you are getting 6 products, and with that you are getting pouch, and toner is also for free. I think that's so cheap, so I think you need to check it out once. This is fully of glittery, and this is one glittery one, this is also glittery one, and this is also a binder with a glittery one, and this glitter nail paint will be cost more. And the next thing which I got is also from Miss Nails, Paint Me Pretty. This is in the shade of 8. All these are non-toxic, and this is toxic free nail paint, and this is also of 60 rupees. This is also with shimmery, full of glitter, and this is in the blue shade. This is of all these are of 6 ml, all 4 of 6 ml. Coming to my next one, this is also from Miss Nail, Paint Me Pretty. It is in the shade of 38. This is also non-toxic free nail color, and this is worth of 60 rupees, guys. This is also 60, and all glittery one also 60. I would recommend you to buy glittery one, because glittery one will be cost more, but this is also 60, this is also 60. I think you need to check with the glittery one, because you're getting in cheap price. This is non-glittery one. This is in the shade of brown, and as I said you before, it is in the shade of 38. Okay guys, the next thing I got is from Juice 1 Coat Nail Paint, and this is worth of 75 rupees, guys. And this is of 11 ml, not 6 ml. This is of 11 ml. Just one coat. It says that just one coat to give a good finish. And you can see pinkish in color. So guys, I've got 6 nail paint with 6 trial points. So this is of 3 trial point, and remaining this is of 3 trial point. So out of 6 trial point, I have purchased all nail paint, and all 6 trial point you need to pay only 199 rupees. And once you're done with 199, a 6 trial point will become back to your main account, and you can use this 6 trial point again, and you need to pay 199 rupees. Once after your order is confirmed, again 6 trial points will be revert back to your account. It will be like cycle process repeating again and again. Actually, if I want to say 6 nail point of 60 rupees and 1 nail paint of 75 rupees, I think it will be cross around 360 rupees. This extra 150 rupees, and it crossed 450 rupees. So for 450 worth products you are getting for only 199 rupees, and all are 100% genuine, and expiry date and all, it's like a good one. Expiry date and all, it's like till expired on 23 or 24, it's correct. So I think definitely you need to buy. So guys, if you wish to buy this product, the app link and my referral code, it will be on my description. You can go and check it out once on my description. So that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.